AD 1320. That's when it was founded. So it's quite a beautiful church. I'll just give you an overview of the outside of it. It's quite old. And some nice decorations on the roof. This is Church of Ireland. So not to be confused with the Catholic Church, but it's, here we go. Here's a sign over here to tell you everything we need to know about it. Saint Nicholas Collegiate Church. And now, okay, guys. All right, we'll go inside. Is it closed or is it people take it? Oh, yeah. Oh, right. Okay. Hi. Okay. Hi, Chandra. I won't talk too much inside. I'll just take a look around, okay? Excuse me. Hi. I just want to continue the tour. Do you mind if I pay on the way out? Just go down here. There's a concert going on here at the moment. Greetings from Bali. Cool. Now, there's something down here. It's supposed to be Crusaders vault or something. Let me see where it is. I haven't yet. Oh, hold on there. The tomb of James Lynch. Oh, okay. The Lynches were a famous family here in Galway. So, okay. Hi, Chandra. Great to see you. I'll just show you some of the windows. Okay. Oh, this is... I think that's rather Gothic looking. And that's lovely. I'm just trying to find the tomb. The tomb is here somewhere. There's a cute little door. More slabs on the wall. Let's see what this says here. Lynch window tomb. Oh, okay. The Crusaders tomb. Okay, here we go. Here you go, guys. I think the backdrop of music adds to the atmosphere as well. Yeah, I speak a little bit of Gaelic, not much. Learned a little bit of school, Jolene. I'd know street names and all that. My Irish wouldn't be perfect, but I'd have an idea. If they were a famous Irish battalion during the First World War. Hi, Catherine. Now I'll just swing around. This is erected for the First World War. Yeah, it is amazing, Peter. I love history. I might be the greatest expert on it, but Alexandria. That's some. Just give the inscription here. The Celtic cross. It's a symbol of Ireland. Really, it's really a beautiful design. I think I should give you a view of this. Hang on a second. Hi, Suzanne. That's one of the most recognizable symbols in Ireland is the Celtic cross. And this is an overview of the church. My favorite. Actually, you can. So don't go away. If I can. No. Maybe I'll leave this here and like that. No, it's not going to work either. Here, actually, here. There we go. This is nice here. Madison, hi. There's an oil painting. Doorway. Okay. Hope you can hear me okay. Beatrice. Hi, Beatrice. How things? Okay. This gives you a timeline for this church. Okay. 1200s. 1320, 1485, 1500s, 1590. So you just want to welcome them in, and then once the concert starts, we close this door. If anyone comes and is not going to know, you can open and just put them down. We can join them for this invitation to take part. I remember coming down this person. So you can just say to them that the concert on at the moment is the actually, because they're going to shut it down for the concert. So we'll just take a walk around the outside of the church. There's a monument somewhere. I haven't seen it, but it was gifted by the city of Genoa. Let's go back here. View of the church. It's a nice building. Hiya, Carla. How are things? When you're actually trying to think of stuff you want to say to people about the history, they kind of forget where you're going. So, but let me see now. We'll head this way. I know God right across the centre. So, I hope I'm not. Just one last look at the church before we go. Okay, we'll keep going. We're in the old part of Galway. This is the medieval part. We just passed earlier Lynch's Castle, which is the finest example of a medieval house stroke castle in Ireland, allegedly. Everything I say is allegedly. So now we're back walking towards the town centre. So if you can bear with me now while I'm bumping up these cobble streets, I'll be up. I might help. Gail, how are things? Okay. I'm going to take a breather for a minute. the